Hey guys, it's Teresa. Welcome back to our channel. Today I am so excited to be participating in a collaboration with Zane over at Home with Zane. He's calling this collaboration Decorate Your Space. So his thought for this is that we take a space in our home and we spruce it up a little bit. Today I picked my sideboard table in my dining room to spruce up. I will link Zane's channel along with the playlist down below in the description box. And once you've watched my video, you can head over to Zane's channel and the playlist and watch the playlist. So let's go on and head into my dining room and I'll show you what the dining room sideboard table looks like before. Okay, so here's my sideboard table before. My husband actually built this for me about 3 years ago. We had some Brazilian walnut back behind our shed, and that is the material that he used to make this. And as you can see, there's not much decorations on here, so this definitely needs a little sprucing up. And here is my after. Okay, and here's a few items that I did purchase. I found this cake plate, the wooden cake plate from Marshall's, that little candle also at Marshall's, and the little cloche with the plant inside. I also got that at Marshall's. And then that cute little vintage, I don't know if it's like a perfume or an oil decanter, I also found at Marshall's. This little olive bucket, I've had that, I think I got it at Hobby Lobby. Here are some little spring picks that I found at Michael's a few months ago. I had that Family is Forever sign down at the bottom actually of the sideboard table, and I just moved it up here at the top. And then I put some dollar store river rock in that little milk glass compote. This basket I found at Goodwill for $3, and I just took some acrylic white craft paint and did a dry brush over the wicker, and I love the way that it turned out. These items I already had on the table. I just kind of moved them around a little bit. I had that white ceramic lantern up at the top, and I moved it inside of that little wire basket. I kind of like that layer look, and the plant I already had. Thank you so much, Zane, for hosting this challenge. I can't wait to see what everyone else has done with their space. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching the video. And if you're new, we would love for you to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Until the next one, bye.